music and rhythm stir the innermost depths of our souls. Navadvip, the land that sings, is ever embraced by the harmonious flow of the river Ganga. Sankirtana, the glorification of God through singing and dancing, originated in the 9 islands of Navadvip. Each of us longs for intimate, personal relationships to feel complete. The sacred scriptures, steeped with wisdom, disclose that this completeness is achieved only by connecting with the loving Supreme Lord. This inherent longing of the soul attracted over 200 seekers of folk, a vibrant youth community, to explore Navadvip. The ecstatic tunes of Sankirtana, filling the early misty morning air, captivated the folks.
This musical journey to Mayapur has enlivened my consciousness.
200 of us have gathered here to discover that music is all about loving God.
I am feeling so blissful and fortunate to be part of this musical journey.
The more I sing for Krishna, the more my heart melts for him.
This trip has helped me discover that chanting brings so much of peace and calmness within me.
The tour was centered around the process of glorifying Lord Krishna by hearing, singing, and dancing to the chants of his holy names. The melodious waves of music kept them all in an ocean of bliss in all places throughout the day.
The kirtan is very simple, but its experience is very divine, enriching, and very fulfilling.
These 5 days of the spiritual journey, empowered with musical meditation, thought-provoking insights, and breathtaking landscapes, instilled an enriching and fulfilling experience in the hearts of all the seekers of folk.
Being part of this trip, I feel so relieved. I think folk trips are a panacea for stress.
I didn't know that establishing a relationship with the Lord was this easy through music.
This trip was all about discovering a relationship with the Lord through music.
The journey truly was a mellifluous spiritual symphony for the soul.